Hey guys, it's Jeffree beautyriotx, and today we are doing my Allure unboxing for the month of August. All the information on said box will be in the box below, as well as what I'm wearing on my face today because this lipstick is just out of control. So here we go. Comes with a pamphlet. My only thing about the pamphlet and the prices that are listed, 90% of the products in here are sample sizes, but when you go and look at the pamphlet, it tells you the price of the full size, which I don't really think is relevant. Just my 2 cents though. All right, so let's get into it. The first thing I see is enjoy a $20 gift towards your next full-priced order on baublebar.com. I think it's a jewelry site. Okay. And the first thing I see is from Feel Beauty Incorporated, and this is the Rose Petal Facial Mask, Ultra Concentrated Toning Gel. I actually do like these kind of things. I like liquid masks or clay masks. I like them more than the normal like sheet mask, so that's kind of nice. All right, the next thing is from Derma E, which I love, and this is the Sun Protection Mineral Powder SPF. Ooh, fun. It's a nice size sample. And the full size is one of those things that comes in, I don't know if you can see that. It's like a brush, and then in the bottom, that's where all the powder reservoir is all down here. All right, the next is from Way, and this is a leave-in conditioner. I think Sephora has Way, right? That's a nice smell. I'm more prone to use leave-in conditioners than I am to use conditioners you rinse out, because leave-in conditioners are made to be lighter, so they're less heavy in your hair. I mean, some are heavy in your hair, but these are made, again, to be left in your hair, so they tend to be lighter. I'll definitely use that. The next product is from The Organic Pharmacy. It's an antioxidant lip balm with shea butter, rose hip oil, a bunch of other things. I don't know, does it smell like rose? I don't love the smell of roses. No, it's okay. It feels very, very light though. I feel like, okay, that's why. There's 0.16 fluid ounces in here, so there is not very much product in this. In fact, it feels empty. This is the Doche Ultra Precision Eyeliner in blue. Whoa, that is really nice. It's very opaque, it's matte. I'm used to getting like blue liners, but it has fucking sparkles in it. This is actually nice, matte, and it's very bright, so I will definitely give this a try. So the next thing is the Sunday Riley Retinol Sleeping Night Oil. It's the Luna oil. I haven't tried this, but I would love to. Oh, that's a nice size little bottle, actually. You got a good amount in here. It smells weird, though. Ugh, okay. Okay, so the last thing in here is the Olay Regenerist Whip Active Moisturizer. It's a moisturizer. I don't love the way Olay products smell, so I will not be opening this or using it. I will pass this on to someone else. Oh wait, there's one more thing in here. Oh, fun, okay. All right, this is from Makeup Forever, and this is the Artist Pencil in Full Red, and I actually have the nude shade from this line, and I love it. And this is pretty cool because this is for anything. This can be for your lip, for eye. There's no rules with Makeup Forever. So I'm pretty excited because this is a really nice red. I would totally use this in my waterline too, and I'm going to. Aside from this, and maybe like the minuscule amount you get in here, everything was actually really good. So I'll take it. I will definitely use the mask, the powder, the oil, and the leave-in conditioner. I mean, I'll use the lip stuff, but I mean, it's like as tiny as can be. And absolutely, I will use, all right, I absolutely feel crazy now because I just dropped that Makeup Forever pencil and I can't find it anywhere. It's like my floor ate it. I will absolutely use 90% of the things in here. Pretty much the only thing I won't use is the Olay. So that actually wasn't bad. And FYI, last month I actually went to cancel after I got my 2 boxes because honestly I didn't want to pay 15 bucks a month because the first box you get is like 10 bucks. And then I told them, okay, I want to cancel. And then they counter offered my cancel with, how about if you stay on, we'll give you the next 4 boxes for $10 each instead of 15. So I said, sold. So this was definitely worth $10 to me. Let's see what next month brings. All right, so that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.